What's up, everybody? This is Chuck, and welcome to Brand New Vegan, where today we're going to make some country-style vegan green beans. These are kind of like the ones my mom used to make down in Kentucky, where she would cook a pot roast all day long and throw the potatoes and the green beans around it, and it would just kind of simmer all day. Kind of like that, only without the pot roast, obviously. So I'm going to use mushrooms. And I got a pan. I'm going to add, about 12 ounces of mushrooms, however many you want, really. And we're going to season them up with a little soy sauce. And we're going to kind of try to make this taste a little bit like bacon. So there's a little bit of water, some maple syrup, and I will have a complete recipe with all the ingredients, all the instructions down below in the link. Alright, so we're going to get those kind of softened up. And it really is good. It's not crunchy like bacon, but it kind of tastes like bacon. And there's the secret right there, liquid smoke. Just a little bit. The seasoning blend, again, I'll have all the ingredients in the link below. Kind of sprinkle that on. We're going to stir that up. Let them cook a little bit. And then move on to the beans. Get a hot pad. Move that over. Alright. So I'm going to use an entire onion. We're going to chop it up. Just a little bit of veggie broth, just so they don't stick. And we're going to soften those up, medium heat. Now we're going to add a couple cups of veggie broth, and this is low sodium, and a couple cups of water. And now I've got a 24-ounce bag of those little baby potatoes. I've cut them in half, and we're just going to drop those in. Get everything all kind of stirred up. Again, some more seasoning. Bring that up to a boil. And then we're going to turn down the heat and put on the lid and just let them simmer. 10-15 minutes. Now, in the recipe I use fresh green beans. In the video here, I'm going to use frozen green beans. You can use whatever you got. The frozen ones are obviously easy. You just open a bag and dump them in. These are little 10-ounce bags of the frozen green beans you see in the grocery store, and I'm using 2 of them. Get those all stirred around. Just like that. Put the lid back on, let them simmer another 5-10 minutes, because they're already cooked. And then we're going to put in that bacon, mushrooms, the broth and everything, and then just stir that up. So this is really good. It'll be a good holiday dish. You've got potatoes, you got green beans, a little salt and pepper there. You got the mushrooms, kind of got that smoky bacon flavor. Really, really good. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, be sure and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I try to do one of these videos every single week showing you how simple it is to cook plant-based. That's what Brand New Vegan's all about. So until next week, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.